Ever wonder how your favorite online store always knows what you want? AI is making personalized shopping easier than ever, and it's also keeping your data safe. Let's dive in. AI is transforming the way we shop, making our online experiences more intuitive and tailored to our individual preferences. Have you noticed how your favorite stores recommend products you love? This isn't just a coincidence. That's all thanks to recommendation engines powered by AI. These sophisticated systems analyze vast amounts of data to understand your likes and dislikes. These engines use your browsing habits, past purchases, and even reviews to suggest items you might like. They learn from your interactions and continuously improve their recommendations. It's like having a personal shopper, 24/7. Imagine having someone who knows your taste and preferences, always ready to help you find the perfect item. Not only does this make shopping faster, but it also makes it more fun by helping you discover things you didn't know you needed. With AI, the shopping experience becomes more engaging and enjoyable, turning every visit into a personalized adventure. AI is also enhancing cybersecurity in retail, making it more robust and reliable than ever before. How? By detecting unusual patterns in real time, AI can prevent fraud before it happens. It continuously monitors transactions and flags any suspicious activity instantly. From protecting your payment information to keeping your personal data safe, AI ensures that every transaction is secure. It uses advanced encryption methods to safeguard sensitive information. AI's ability to identify risks and mitigate them is critical in today's e-commerce world. It not only detects threats but also takes proactive measures to neutralize them, ensuring a safer shopping experience for everyone. AI is revolutionizing how we shop and stay secure online. From personalized recommendations to advanced fraud detection, AI is making our shopping experiences smoother and safer. So, what's the coolest AI-powered shopping feature you've seen? Is it the virtual try-ons, voice-activated shopping, or maybe the smart chatbots that assist you 24/7? Drop it in the comments. We're eager to hear your thoughts and experiences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech insights. Stay updated with the latest trends and innovations in the tech world. And hey, why not add your amazing AI fact in the comments below? Let's build a community of tech enthusiasts sharing knowledge and discoveries.